everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on see all and click on messages app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So you will see if it still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.